Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a review on the melted hairline Catalina and the color DRFF2 brown sugar and honey. This is giving me all types of brown sugar vibes. It has a beautiful color that I love a lot. I believe it has the dark roots throughout and it goes into this beautiful ombre honey blonde color, and I believe it will look really pretty on a lot of different skin tones. This wig cap is beautiful. It does have the two combs on the side, a comb in the back, and a convenient strap as well. And here I'm just using my free spray, but honestly, you really don't have to use your free spray in a blow dryer. It's pretty snug fit. I have a small head, so it fits me very well. The hairline is really beautiful. It didn't need any plucking whatsoever, and like the name says, it really did melt into my skin. I didn't have to do much of anything, so this could easily be one of those wigs that you just kind of like plop on your head and go if you need to go to the store or anything like that. And here I'm just putting down a few little baby hairs. I'm not a big baby hair fan, but I do like to have a little bit on the side. But yeah, guys, when I have this hair on, and I've worn it before, this is not my first time wearing it, but whenever I wear this hair, I just really like how it looks on me. It has a nice like texture to it. It's not silky, but it's not yucky. It almost looks like it's a kinky straight wig that's been colored, and I like that a lot. But I definitely want to order some more of these wigs in a different color, probably like a number 2 or maybe a number 4. But again, it's so beautiful. I highly recommend it. I did order it off of Sam's Beauty. I believe I paid like $38 or $40 for it. So yeah, I mean, you can't tell me nothing. When I'm wearing this hair, I feel like I could be a member of Beyonce's family. Like, you can't tell me anything. Also, I am 5 feet tall, so this hair falls like right in the middle of my back. So yeah, anyway, I thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please thumbs up this video, leave a comment below, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.